Hello everyone, this is Sayyid Affan and you're listening to Harsh Music Factory. Actually ये काफ़ी सरप्राइज व्लॉग है क्योंकि मुझे खुद नहीं पता था कि हर्षल सर यहाँ आने वाले बॉम्बे नाके पर, और ये भी नहीं पता था कि व्लॉग शूट होने वाला है. एक्चुअली मुझे आत्मेश ने लाया यहाँ पर और हर्ष सर थे सामने, तो मैं कुछ शौक था. आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग टाइम मैं हर्ष सर से मिला हूँ, सो इट विल बी वेरी एक्साइटेड. देखते हैं आज क्या करते. बाय. Good morning everyone, I am Aatmesh you all know me now. It is a very shocking day for my friend Affan because Harshal sir surprised him with a surprise meet. So here we are today for a new vlog and we are heading towards, okay, that's gonna be a surprise too, so stay tuned. Hi everyone, so we have reached to our destination, that is Peruchi Wadi. So हम फिलहाल अंदर जाएंगे, पहले देखते हैं एम्बियंस कैसा है. Come on. As you can see यहाँ पर काफी अच्छा नेचर है, फ्लावर्स, काफी सारे ट्रीज है, आप देख सकते हो. Let's go inside. So hey guys, as you can see we've reached our location. It's called Peruchi Wadi and here it is the beautiful ambience of this place and it's really beautiful, all the way green everywhere. So अभी हमने ऑर्डर भी किया है, खाना भी आने वाला है, so चलो खाते हैं साथ में. थैंक यू. यहाँ पर हमारा ऑर्डर आ चुका है और ये मिसल है, इसमें हम अभी रस्सा डालेंगे और इसके साथ रोस्टेड पाव है और पापड़ है और साथ में नींबू. सो लेट्स हैव इट. नमस्कार मित्रांनो, माझं नाव दक्ष रामदास उगले, मी पेरूची वाडी हॉटेलचा संचालक. आपलं हॉटेल जवळपास 3 वर्षापासून चालू झालेलं आहे. आपल्या पेरूची वाडीची म्हणजे खास सगळ्यात बेस्ट मिसळ आहे आपली पूर्ण नाशिकमध्ये. त्याच्यानंतर आपल्याकडे सर्वात मोठं बर्ड पार्क आहे. पेरूचे पण भरपूर सारे व्हरायटीज भेटतात आपल्याकडे. त्याच्यात आपल्याकडे पेरू आहे, पेरू लस्सी आहे, पेरू ज्यूस आहे, पेरू आईस्क्रीम आहे. थँक्यू. आपल्या याच्यात भरपूर सारे बर्ड पार्क मध्ये भरपूर सारे 300+ पक्षी आपल्याकडे. त्याच्यानंतर खूप सारे गेम्स आहे विविध प्रकारचे, त्याचा तुम्ही लाभ घेऊ शकता. त्याच्यानंतर आपण चुलीवरची मिसळ देतो, तुम्ही आपली चूल पण बघू शकता.
So hey guys, as you can see we have finished our breakfast. It was quite, no not quite, it was really great. So here it is, the, what do you call it, the juice of guava, yeah, and in Marathi we call it perucha juice. So here we enjoying it. Have fun guys. Hey guys, I'm sitting in auto rickshaw which is famous in India. So yeah, and you can see it's shaking. Yeah, it's kind of fun right here, and you can also enjoy the beautiful view under this tree. Enjoy every moment of your life. That's the beginning and that should be the end. Remember it. Thank you. So you guys, follow me now. Mind your hair first. This is one of the Peru's stall, we call it, and it must be a food court type, a little one I guess. So yeah, come here with me. Here is some playground for the kids to play. Here is the thing I never eat, that's pan. Okay? Come on guys, follow me. This here it is called as Pakshanchi Wadi. As you can see in the photos, there are a lot of varieties of the birds and the animals and the reptiles over here. There is also golden cycle. I want to steal it. Yeah, really. Come on. As you can hear the music around, it's quite enjoyable. Mind your head again. Here is a place to sit a bit and chill and relax. Yeah. Here is a man-made river type, as you can cover it up. It's beautiful. Yeah. So yeah, come on, let's go. This way, sir. You can see the environment here. It's really beautiful and green. Mind your head again. Every place should have this thing right here. Yeah. This is, I think, the copy of the Brooklyn Bridge in New York. Wow. You can see the ostrich there, but you must buy this receipt to enter here. Just don't come and just let yourself go in. Come on, follow me. This is the type of bird called turkey, and its origins from United States, America. Yeah, it's kind of beautiful. This one is called Brahma hen. We can usually see them in India very often. These are the colorful ones and these are the white ones right here. The white one is silky hen and the other one is white polish cap. Here's motu right here. The motu. These are called the red polish cap. The color is so beautiful. These are the pigeons. Not actually pigeons. These are called the fantail and they origins from New Zealand. Quite great. The Bannur sheep. I guess this is the right pronunciation for that. It's Bannur sheep. They got the little beard here, just like me. Okay. My favorite Persian cats. I have one though. Really, really beautiful. Yeah, she's yawning. Yeah, she's sleepy like me. Okay. Here are the ducks, the white geese, and the Muscovy duck. I guess they are not right here, right now. Sad. Okay. These are the millefleur. They got a lot of shit right here. And inside here, these are some of the hamsters, some white pigeons, some rabbits, the eggs of the rabbit or something, I don't know. Does the rabbit give eggs? I don't know. Okay. And there's also, I guess, fishing pond. Yeah, there it is. So yeah, as you can see, there's a grill right here, so we can't enter it. Come on. Follow me, guys. Follow me. Hey, bro. What's up? No F given. Okay. This frog is showing me this inspector guy right here. He used to just shoot the bullets in the air and somehow the, what do we call them? What? Coconuts used to fall on his head. Yeah, come on. Very beautiful, very beautiful. I think this is some kind of beautiful bird. Very colorful one, I guess. I don't know his name. It's not written here. Okay, no worries. These are some little ones, little birds having breakfast. Yeah, they're really, really beautiful and cute. Here also are some of them. And the actual name of this place is Peruchi Wadi. As you can see, the Peru, the guavas right here. They're small of them, but yeah, they are I don't know this guy. I think he's a Mowgli, just doing like this or some kind of thing like this. It's cool. Mickey Mouse right here. So yeah, they are actually aware of the children also. They are coming to visit this place. So yeah, they can enjoy the characters right here of Disney and all that. And cleanliness is the key. So also they also maintain that thing. Weird but beautiful duck. Some of the lovebirds. Yeah, mind your step and mind your head. Just crouch a bit. Yeah, thank you. They also have the CCTVs all over this place, so yeah, it's safe. What's here, right in? It's nothing, just a kitchen. I'm sorry, my bad. Here's the Australian ostrich. I guess I'm right, Australian, it is. Again, a Mickey Mouse statue. These are some parrots. They're called as pineapple conure. They're eating beetroots right here. It's really nice. I like it. The sparrows, some of them. Oh, they got scared. Yep. Beautiful animals and the beautiful people right here. क्या बोलते हैं इसको?
Iguan.
Eagle?
Iguan.
Iguan. This is the first time I'm taking the reptile on my hand. It's beautiful. The scales on the skin, it's really beautiful. Yep. Great. Thank you, Chacha. My friend and brother from another mother, Affan, is really scared, I guess. Yeah, Affan? I guess you like it.
It looks scary.
Yeah, it looks scary, but it's beautiful. Talk a bit, my bro.
I'm speechless, sir, because I'm just looking at the beauty. It's very beautiful.
And he's very calm.
Yeah.
Every human being should be like him.
Just look at his skin.
Yeah, the scales on his skin. Really, really nice.
Cool.
Okay. This is the blue one, the aqua blue, my one of the favorite colors. It's really beautiful. Hey, bro. Yeah, he's looking at me, and I guess he's scared of me. Yeah. Okay.
So hi guys, surprise where I am, can't express in words, I'm gone.
They're crawling all over me. I like it. बड़े प्यारे यार. चल भाई तू भी आजा. क्या? या शिफ्ट हो जाओ. Wow. Lovely. Yeah? अबे काट मत मेरे को।
इधर इधर आत्मेश माइक
इसको तो छोड़ दे।
माइक ये कर रहे हो।
Okay. See, they are eating, having the breakfast. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I love it. I love it. Yeah. So I'll let them go now. Oh, they will not let me.
माइक 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 गिर रहा है। सर ये देखिए आपके माइक का ही हाल कर दिए इन्होंने। माइक को थोड़ा सा पक्षियों ने खराब कर दिया है, कोई बात नहीं।
But I guess it's worth it. Yeah. I guess he's thirsty a bit. There are a lot of varieties right here. Pink, green, blue, white, yellow, whichever color you want, it's right here. They're really, really cute and really, really beautiful. And there is also the tags on their foot or whatever it is called for the names and their identity. Yeah, so this one right here is the first one. His name is Kareem. Hi Kareem. Yeah? Yeah, he loves me. He loves me. Don't bite me, bro. Okay? Yeah, it's done now.
नाम क्या है उनके?
हाय गाइस, तो अभी मैं उस क्षेत्र पे हूँ जहाँ पे ईमू है। अर्लियर आत्मेश ने बोला था कि ऑस्ट्रिच, लेकिन ऑस्ट्रिच में ईमू है। बस एक छोटा सा करेक्शन करना चाहता हूँ। ये देखता हूँ बहुत दूर है। लेट्स गो गाइस। हेलो चश्मा। हेलो। I'm just gone. I'm just amazed with this. Thank you, Dada. बहुत ही अच्छा experience रहा आपके साथ. Thank you. More love to you for my prayers. And like I said, सपना शुरू यहाँ believe. Bye. Okay. Hi guys. So it was really an amazing experience, and special thanks to Affan and Aatmesh. Thank you for making this happen. And this was really beautiful experience with you. And I pray that you get everything that you dream for. More love for my friends. Let's go.
तो गाइज अभी हम अपने ब्लॉग को एंड कर रहे हैं। काफ़ी अच्छा ब्लॉग रहा आज का। पहले तो हम आए, मिसल खाए, फिर मिसल पाव का जो टेस्ट था काफ़ी अच्छा था। फिर उसके बाद हमने गावा का जूस किया जो कि काफ़ी हैवी था। फिर उसके बाद हमने यहाँ पर एडवेंचर किया। एक छोटा सा ब्रिज नीचे से देख सकते हैं आप, तालाब बह रहा है ऐसा मैन मेड, वो भी काफ़ी अच्छा था। और आत्मेश कम हियर, आपको कैसा लगा ब्रो?
I hosted this vlog, bro. क्या पूछ रहा है? Yeah, it's a beautiful place to visit. Do come and do subscribe the channel.
एंड एट द लास्ट मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ जो मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लगता है हर्षल सर का डायलॉग, सपना शुरू यहाँ, बिलीव
The dreams begin here. Okay? Thank you so much.